Hello everyone. Today we will discuss gene therapy. Gene therapy. So the gene therapy means the insertion of the genes into the individual cells. Insertion of genes into the individual cells or tissues is called as gene therapy. Gene therapy is the insertion of genes into the individual cells and tissues is called gene therapy. So gene therapy means the insertion of the genes into the individual cells or tissues. Is called as gene therapy. So this therapy use only they are the curing of the heritable diseases like heritable diseases means the father to son, mother to daughter, mother to son, father to daughter. So they are the heritable diseases. Heritable diseases means they are coming from the mother to son, grandfather to son. So they are the heritable diseases. So they are the gene therapy means insertion of the genes of the individual cells or tissues is called as gene therapy. So they are only using from the heritable diseases like father to son. So the father one diseases. So these are the heritable diseases coming from the son, mother to son, father to daughter, father to son. So this is called as heritable diseases. So they are these diseases. So the removing from the the diseases gene not functioning genes, for example. So they are the one gene. So these gene, so they are denials these are this area is defected. So they are the defected gene. So this area, only this area is defected gene. So this area, removing this area, so inserting to the new gene, inserting of the new gene. So these are called as gene therapy. Inserting of the not function, removing the not functioning areas of the gene. So the inserting the new genes of the genome of the individuals. So these are called as gene therapy. They are called as gene therapy means removing the not functioning genes of the genomes, not functioning areas of the genes. So the removing that areas. So the inserting to the new functioning genes. So they are called as gene therapy. For example, there is one individual, so the one human being. So they are taken from the cells from the outside. So they are the cell. So these cells contain or tissues contain genomes. So they are the genome. So in this genome, so this area is affected. So they are inserting to the new genome, inserting from the new genome. So this area, so not functioning area is inserting. So this area is inserting. Next one, these are transporting to the being. So they are called as gene therapy. Next one, so the gene therapy is two types. Germline gene therapy, somatic line gene therapy. Gene therapy is two types. First one, germline gene therapy. Germline gene therapy. So the germline gene therapy. Second one, somatic line gene therapy. somatic line gene therapy, germline gene therapy and somatic line gene therapy, germline gene therapy and somatic line gene therapy. First one germline gene therapy, first one germline gene therapy. So the germline gene therapy means germline gene therapy means the genes are introducing into the sperms or ovum. Genes are introducing, so genes are inserting from the genes are inserting cells. Genes are inserting from genes are inserting in the sperms or ovum. So the genes are inserting the sperms or ovum. So these are called as germline gene therapy. So the genes are inserting to the sperms or ovum, like male gamete like sperms. So they are the sperm, male gamete. So female gamete, so they are the ovum. So the female gamete is ovum. So the genes are introducing to the either sperm or ovum. So these type of the gene therapy is called as germline gene therapy. Germline gene therapy. Second one somatic line gene therapy. Second one somatic line gene therapy. Somatic line gene therapy means second type somatic line gene therapy. Somatic line gene therapy. Second type somatic line gene therapy. Somatic line gene therapy, germline gene therapy. Second one somatic line gene therapy. So the somatic line gene therapy means, so the genes are introducing into the somatic cells of the patients. Genes are introducing into the are inserting somatic cells of patient. The genes are inserting the somatic cells of the patient. So they are called as somatic line gene therapy. So these type is called as somatic line gene therapy. Somatic line gene therapy means, so the inserting the gene therapy means inserting of the genes. So these genes inserting the somatic cells of the patient. Somatic cells of the patient. So they are called as somatic line gene therapy. So the somatic line gene therapy is two types. Somatic line gene therapy is two types. Ex vivo gene therapy, in vivo gene therapy. Somatic line gene therapy is two types. First one ex vivo gene therapy. Ex vivo gene therapy. Second one in vivo. Ex vivo gene therapy and in vivo gene therapy. So first one ex vivo gene therapy. Ex vivo gene therapy means, so the ex means outside. So the cells taken from the patient to the outside. So the genes are the inserting. Next inserting to the patient. For example, so these are the patient, one patient. So they are taken from the cell from the outside. So they are inserting to the genes, inserting the genes. After these cell inserting to the patient. So these are called as ex vivo gene therapy. Ex vivo gene therapy means, so the patient cells or tissues that are taken from the outside the body, they inserting to the genes, introducing to the genes. Next that cells are inserting from the patient. So these are called as ex vivo gene therapy. Ex vivo gene therapy. Next one in vivo gene therapy. Next one in vivo gene therapy. So the in vivo gene therapy means, so the cells are the do not outside, the cells the genes are introducing to the inside the patient body cell. So the cells do not taken outside. So the directly genes are inserting to the patient cells. So they are called as in vivo gene therapy, ex vivo gene therapy, in vivo gene therapy. Ex vivo means the cells are the patient cells are taken outside, inserting to the new genes, the genes are inserted to the patient. So they are called as ex vivo gene therapy. In vivo gene therapy means the cells are the taken from the so there is no taken from the cells of the patient. So the directly the genes are inserted into the patient body. So they are called as ex vivo gene therapy and in vivo gene therapy. So majorly the gene therapy using from the curing of the heritable diseases, curing of the heritable diseases like sickle cell anemia disease, sickle cell anemia. Next one, cystic fibrosis, cystic fibrosis. Next one, thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis, thalassemia and muscular dystrophy, muscular dystrophy. So these diseases, so identify the early stage of the embryo or child. These diseases are the identify the early stages of the embryo, early stages of the children. So they are identified. So next one, curing to the gene therapy process, they are curing to the diseases, heritable diseases like so the pregnant lady scannings, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months scannings. So these scannings main intention, so they are the identification of the genetical disorders. All organs are the particularly growing or any part is not growing. So they are the identification of the growing. So the any reason, so there is no defecting of the or any disorders of the heritable disorders. So like that type of diseases treatment. So they are called as gene therapy. So the gene therapy means insertion of the functional genes into the genome, insertion of the new genes. The functional genes are inserting from the genes, genomes. So majorly, so these gene therapy, the genes introducing process compulsory using to the vectors, compulsory using to the vectors. So the genes are inserting the vectors, the vector is transferred to the genes from the genome. So they are called as gene therapy. Inserting of genes is called as gene therapy. So the gene therapy majorly using from the curing of the heritable diseases like sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis, muscular dystrophy, thalassemia. So they are the heritable diseases. So majorly the gene therapy process compulsory using to the vectors, compulsory using to the vectors. These vectors they are transferred to the genome. So they are carrying the genomes, genes, so inserting from the genome. Next one, so the gene therapy is two types. One is the germline gene therapy, another one is the somatic line gene therapy. Germline gene therapy, somatic line gene therapy. Germline gene therapy means the genes are introducing to the either sperm or ovum. So this type of the gene therapy is called as germline gene therapy, sperms or ovum. And somatic line gene therapy, somatic line gene therapy means the genes are introducing to the somatic cells of the patient. The genes are inserting from the somatic cells of the patient. So they are called as germline gene therapy, somatic line gene therapy. So the somatic line gene therapy is two types, ex vivo gene therapy, in vivo gene therapy. Ex vivo gene therapy means the cells are taken from the outside the patient body, inserting to the genes. After next the cells is transferred to the patient. So they are called as ex vivo gene therapy. Next one, in vivo gene therapy. So the in vivo gene therapy means so that cells are do not taken outside. So complete cells are inside the body, directly the genes are inserting from the patient body. So they are called as in vivo gene therapy. So these majorly these gene therapy process using to the curing of the heritable disease. First time, so this gene therapy using from the 1990 year 1990. So the 4 years old girl, 4 years first time using from the year 1990. So the baby is 4 years girl, 4 years girl. So this girl is defecting in the ADA, adenosine deaminase disease, ADA disease, ADA, adenosine deaminase. So these enzyme defect, so they are causing to the enzyme adenosine deaminase enzyme effect, they are causing to the adenosine deaminase disease. So these enzyme majorly imparting to the immune system. So major importance of the immune system. So their immune system is very important of the protecting to the body, curing to the not affecting to the diseases. So these ADA first time using to the bone transplantation. Next one, so directly enzyme transplantation. After, so last they are using to the gene therapy process. So this gene therapy process curing to the ADA disease. So they are first time using from the year 1990. So they are the gene therapy.